Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to enable or disable camera flash notification on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, scroll down and go to accessibility. In accessibility, go to advanced settings. In advanced settings, in notification section, you can see the plus notification. Okay, you'll have to do stop this. And here you can see the camera plus notification. And on the right side, you can see the switch button. And okay guys, if this enable or turn on, plus the camera light when you receive notifications or when alarm sounds. And okay guys, to enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And okay, also you can preview by tap the preview button here below. Okay, you can see the camera is flashing. And okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled camera plus notification on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.